Thanks for joining us to do the garden in a glove experiment. Before you begin, it's important to ensure that you have all the right materials. As you can see here, we have the tomato seeds, lettuce seeds, a bowl of water, 5 cotton balls, 1 plastic glove, 1 pipe cleaner, 1 permanent marker, and 1 pair of scissors.
Let's move on to the instructions. Make sure to perform the experiment as a team of parent and student.
The first step is writing your name on a clear plastic glove. Be sure to use a permanent marker to do so.
So now, on each finger and thumb of the glove, we are going to write the type of seed that we are going to use. We can write lettuce on 2 of the fingers and tomatoes on 3 of the fingers.
The third step is going to require you working together as a team. You're going to wet all 5 cotton balls in the bowl of water and squeeze the excess water out of the cotton balls. Now you're going to place 1 to 2 seeds of the same kind in each cotton ball. Be very careful to make sure the seeds are centered in your cotton ball. Then you're going to place the cotton ball with the seeds attached in each finger of your glove. You have labeled the glove already, so make sure you put the correct seeds in the correct piece of the glove. If you can't get the seed all the way in, you can always use your marker and use your marker to push it down into the fingers.
So once the glove is ready, you need to blow into the glove and tie it with a pipe cleaner.
After you have the air in the glove and have secured it with a pipe cleaner, place the glove close to a window or any other place which gets ample amount of light and is warm. You can also tape it to a wall, a window, or a chalkboard.
Make sure you check the glove each day. After 3 or 4 days, the glove will look something like this.
Now you should be able to see the seeds germinating. You can feel free to note your observations in a notebook to track the progress that is made every day. After about a week and a half to 2 weeks, you can actually cut the tips of the fingers of the glove off and carefully take out the germinated seeds.
You can take this seedling and plant it into a pot of soil.
Thank you for watching this STEM at Home step-by-step experiment video. Be sure to check out all of the other helpful experiment videos on the website from Bayer and National PTA.